Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. How you doing? All right. Have you ever been to a party or had a birthday and it's hot, it's the middle of summer, and you just want some good, refreshing dessert? Well, that's what we're doing today. It's a no-bake, cool lemon pie. We're gonna need 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweet condensed milk, cookies. My brand that I'm using are Marias. We're gonna need lime juice, blender, and a pie dish. The process of making this is very easy. Okay, we're gonna make a batter-like substance, and then we're gonna get our dish. We're gonna do a layer of cookies, a layer of batter, a layer of cookies, a layer of batter, and we're just gonna do that until there's no more cookies or batter left. Then we're gonna pop it in the freezer, 30 minutes. Then we're gonna pop it in the fridge for 2 hours. By that time, it should be set and it's ready to eat, okay? So let's get to it.
All right, so the process of making this batter is very simple. You're gonna put 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of condensed milk into the blender. Then you're gonna turn the blender on a low setting. You're going to start squeezing lemon juice into the blender. You're gonna do that until the mixture thickens. Once it thickens, you can adjust to taste. If you want more lemon, you can put more lemon. If you want it to be more sweet, you just put less lemon. The end consistency that you want, something similar to pancake batter.
Alrighty, so that was it. Now comes the assembly, okay? Pop this in the freezer for 30 minutes. After that, I'm gonna take it out, put it into the fridge for 2 hours, and then it should be set. So it's been 2.5 hours, okay? And check this out. Look at that. Nice and stiff, just came out of the fridge. That's how it's supposed to look. Oh, tastes delicious. Okay, let's cut a slice and let's give this a real taste. It's nice and gelatinized. You can really tell that the cookies absorbed a lot of the sugar. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Beautifully cut, if I may say so myself. Look at that, guys. Look at all those layers. Wow. Delicious. I'm gonna have another bite. You know, if you're not a big cheesecake fan, make this. I guarantee you, you're gonna love it. Good. Like the video, subscribe, all that. If you don't like this video, I want to make another video. Go and like that video.